Hello guys, welcome to the Daily Dose by Finity. Digital transactions are increasingly being preferred by consumers in India, but digital transactions also tend to have some risks like data breaches, identity thefts, and many more. To help users carry out digital transactions safely, we have listed here some of the precautions that you can take. Never save credit card details. A user's debit credit card details must never be saved while making any kind of purchases online. While this may offer convenience, it is safer to type your card information every time. Never share passwords. Internet banking passwords must be extra strong and should never be shared with anyone. Users must also change these regularly. OTPs are also never to be shared. Download apps from trusted sources. Be very aware of this. With the constant influx of app-based services, users must be aware that there are also many illegitimate apps available for download. Use two-factor authentication at all times. While making online payments, users get an option to use the secure password or ATM PIN or OTP. To be secure while performing online transactions, users must try to choose a two-factor authentication method. This will require the use of a password and OTP. Conduct transactions through a private window. An example of a private browser is to go into incognito mode, wherein the history, search results, password, etc. do not get saved, thus protecting your finances. Avoid the use of public networks or computers for digital transactions. While making any online transaction, it is wise to avoid public devices or Wi-Fi networks. These are prone to cyber attacks. Don't fall prey to unknown emails and messages. Users must always check for the email address or source of the SMS before clicking or opening them. Many users tend to fall prey to online phishing attacks. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!